up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing for weekly automotive mechanical content for the average shade tree mechanic. Alright, y'all, so in this video what I bring to y'all is here. Check out this goodie. Just received it yesterday night. It was actually delivered to my neighbor. My neighbors are awesome, and so he let me know yesterday night, hey, they gave me your tonneau cover, so here it is. So much appreciation to my neighbor. Anyways, here is a TYGER bed cover. Alright, so what I'm actually going to do in this video is just show you how to install. From what I've heard, very simple process. If you have two hands, you'll be able to do this job. But really, I have a big trip coming up and I want the back of my bed to stay dry. Hence why the reason I need a bed cover, as well as, you know, if I keep stuff in the back of the bed, I don't want any sticky fingers coming around and grabbing themselves 5-finger discount on something. So instead of me keeping stuff in the back of my cab in the truck, I want to put this bed, and then when I leave, lock my truck in the tailgate so that no one can get in the back unless they have a knife and get in there. But that's up to them. Much more reason to get one of these so that it's much easier to not see something and not take anything than to see something and get sticky fingers. Alright, y'all, so let's get to it. What I want to see is if this thing even comes with any instructions or if it's dummy proof and you pretty much just slap it on there. Alright, here we go. Okay, so we need that. Looks like here are directions. Thanks, TYGER. Keeping that right on top. Okay, that's a handle. Looks like I just need to keep rolling this down. Looks like a pretty cool bed cover. Something you could probably use for sack race. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up the directions. Take them out of this little baggie. Initial impression is that it looks like it's some tough vinyl. So TYGER tri-fold cover. Make sure all parts are included in the package. One bed cover, storage bag, magnetic LED lights. I guess it's in this white box. Rear seal strip. Here's the strip that I can see there. And a clamp pad. Now it does give other options and parts, as you can see here, but this one is specific to my truck, and so it is not going to be Toyota, Nissan Titan, Nissan Frontier, or Tool. Alright, so as you can see, only the ones that are check marked or X'd. So if that was a step, then step one complete. Alright, so clean truck bed thoroughly before installation. Place the assembled cover on the truck bed against the bulkhead. Make sure cover is even on all sides. Then unbuckle the safety straps. Step 2, securing front clamps. Alright, y'all, so you want to make sure you clean out your bed. As you can see, I did not, but I don't think that'll affect the installation. If y'all are wondering, I just have the factory plastic, pretty much throw-in bed liner. And I did read some reviews that it would work perfectly with that. So if y'all were wondering, also if you're wondering which one I bought, I'll go ahead and post the link in the description so you can check that out and see which one I actually got. Read a lot of the reviews, it looked pretty good, so I figured I'd go through with it and install it on my truck. Alright, so that's step 1. I just pretty much laid it up on top. What I did also was just clean the sides of, you know, where the bed covers more so going to lay on top of. Step 2, securing front clamps. Pull down front clamps into vertical position. Horizontal position has been set for optimal fitment. It still can be adjusted if necessary. Please refer to adjusting clamp position section. 2, hook jaw portion to the clamp under the metal bed rail lip. Clamp pad can be inserted at the contact point to protect paint. Okay. 3, turn the knob until side Q seal of the cover is compressed and clamp is snug. Alright, so let me go ahead and show y'all what I'm looking at. Here's step 2. pretty much shows you to pull down the clamp and then adjust it and tighten it as you are clamping it down to the side of the bed rails. And the bed rail is just right here. And you'll be able to figure it out if you're down here. Alright y'all, so what I want to do is actually just validate before I clamp down the front side of where this is going to go. And make sure I have a good fit. So I can see right here it is not, it's poking out just a little too much. So that means I'm just going to have to push it to the front of the cab a little bit. And then probably only about an inch. All right, and this side too, as you can see. But the front looks like you can still take some more. All right, yep. So what I'm gonna have to do is nail it and only push it back an inch. It curves a little right here, as you can see. Kind of goes like that. All right, so I can't push it over the edge. This needs to be perfect, so it looks like it's going to be a good fit. You just need to make sure that you place it correctly, and I'm just going to go ahead and push it forward a little bit until my liking, and that looks pretty good. And that's it. Make sure that is perfectly aligned right there. You probably see a little space in between there. That's perfect. All right, and that's what I like to see. So I'm gonna go back in here, tighten up the front side, and continue. All right, y'all, so I need to show you this. So here is part of step 3, and I'll read that to you here after I show you this step 2. So it tells you to go ahead and adjust the bracket that secures to your bed. All right, so here's a little edge of the truck, and this is what it actually scoops up around. So as you can see, this is supposed to go around. You turn it clockwise, and it just pretty much tightens. The thing is, with this specific setup, the metal rod was set up on the second hole. All right, so there's 1, 2, and 3. So you see it dangling. It's on the hole closest to the bed. All right, so I received it and it was on the second hole. You can actually adjust it, and this is what they mean. Pretty much it's just a screw right here and then a nut on the other side that's pretty much securing it down. What you need to do is loosen up this bolt with a Phillips screwdriver. All right, and then push the bolt out, and then pretty much you remove the screw. This comes out, you slip it on this, that you gain the most leverage of security on the bed. All right, so if it was on the second one, it would be angled when you're trying to tighten it down. So now it's pretty much right on top of it, and that's what I needed to do for a secure hookup. All right, y'all, so step 3, securing safety clamps. Turn the knob counterclockwise to loosen the clamp with the red strap. Attach clamp to the metal bed rail lip on both sides, then tighten. Make sure safety clamps are in direct contact with the metal part of the bed rail lips. Warranty will be voided if the security clamps are not secured properly when vehicle in motion. Alright, so here's the clip. Pretty much, it tells you it's a yellow strap. It's actually a red strap. This just goes around the metal lip. And if you can see, this is the metal lip right here, and there's some space in between. I'll go ahead and stick my finger in here. So it just needs to go around here. And that's all it is. Just make sure it gets up under there, push it as much as it can, tighten this down clockwise until you can't move it, and then it is very secure. And voila, that's step 3. Step 4 is securing the rear clamps and cover. So that's it, guys. I hope that I helped some, educated some. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and let me know below. I'll also post some links for y'all to check out. Again, if you're not subscribed to my page, please subscribe for many videos just like this. Until next time, ciao.